Dear NEET aspirants, we are going to see today how to fill the application form. Okay, so go into Google. You have to type over there cbseneet.co.in. Now when you type, you have the login address. So after this page comes of the CBSE. Now when you see over here, you get the notification. Okay, so all the details are over here. Definitely a thorough reading of all this is needed. So today we will see what are the sectors to be filled. Okay, and how to fill this. So all this now we are going to apply online. So when you apply online, there are 4 steps. So this is the first step where you are going to fill the application form. So the basic details are required. So the name, candidate's name you have to enter, the mother's name, then your father's name you will enter over there. After entering the father's name, there is a category. Okay, so select that category. Okay, and here you should not use any prefixes. Okay, so category you select, and then if person with disabilities, you select that option also, yes or no. Then fill the date of birth. Now this date of birth is per the Aadhaar card. Okay. So after filling the date of birth, you can select the gender and the nationality. Okay. Gender, after that you select which state. Okay. Select the state and then select the identification type. So whether you are giving the Aadhaar number. So select the Aadhaar number over there and below that you type the Aadhaar number. Okay. Then you have to enter the mobile number, your own or the parent's mobile, and email ID. Okay. Here only you will receive the OTP for the final submission of the online. So the mobile number is very important and also the email ID. And future communication also you will get only in this email ID and in this mobile number. Okay. And then enter the security pin. This is case sensitive. You have to type in. So after filling this, click on to the box I agree. And then you will go to the next page, preview and next. So this is the preview that is appearing, what you have filled, and then you go to the next page. Now when you come to the next page, if you are a new registry, then what will happen? You will get you have to create a password. Okay, so enter the password and security question here for registration. So create your password. It should be, there are some details for the password length. So 8 to 13 characters like that. So check over there and according to that you create your password and also you can retype your password. Now security question is important because in case you forget the password, then what will happen? You can remember the security question and also the answer you type over there. Okay. Now the OTP that you have received in your mobile, you can type over here. Where there is a column, enter OTP over here. Okay, and then submit. So your provisional register number will apply. Then you can log in. As soon as you log in, you have to type in, the registration number will appear. You have to type in your password and press on to login. Now when you press on to login, you can see the details that you have filled. So you can go through the details over here. And some more columns will appear, you have to select. Okay. So now you see, there are some questions like, are you the only child of your parents? What is the identification type? It's already there. So there you click yes or no. And then next detail is the place of birth. So place of birth, you have to select the state and the district to which you belong to. Okay. After the place of birth, then you have to choose the medium of the question paper in which you are writing the exam. So you select the choice of the medium in which you are writing the exam. And then some more details are there. The examination center. Now here you see 3 examination centers of your choice you have to give. So here the CBSE will reserve the right to allot any center to the candidate. Okay. So there will be, this cannot be edited further. So these 3 you have to apply and any one will be allotted to you. Okay. So after filling this, you go to the next page. So next one is the academic details. So this whole sheet is about academic details. You will see the academic details is of the 10th, the 11th and the 12th also. Please keep all the details. That is your percentage of marks, the name of the school, the address of the school. So everything you keep ready. Okay. So the first is about filling the 10th or equivalent. So the academic details, the name of the school, education board, that is important, CBSE or Tamil Nadu Board of Higher Secondary Education. Then the name of the school, here see for example, it is typed DAV Metric Higher Secondary School. So the full name of the school you have to type in, and then the address of the school. Okay, so you type in with the pin code, and then there is a next column which is to scroll down. You have to select the year of passing. So 10th standard, the year of passing you have to select over there. And the last column is you have to write the percentage of marks. Now suppose if grade is asked, then you have to calculate accordingly the percentage of marks and you have to fill it over there. Okay. So the next set of instruction that is you have to fill in is about the 11th standard. So after the 10th, you fill the 11th, you write the same, that is the name of the school. Okay. And then year of passing is there. You select, scroll down and you select the year of passing. So place of study, naturally it is India, it is selected over there. Next one, you have to select where the school is located. Okay, the state where the school is located and the district where the school is located. So these 2 informations you have to fill. Then the next one is very important, that is the 12th. So academic details of the 12th standard. Again, the board of the study is very important. So you see, please mention the name of the examination body. So you have to select the correct option and scroll down and mark. And then name of the school. So type the whole name of the school. Okay. And then below that you have the address of the school. So there you type the address of the school. For example, it is in Mogappair East, Anna Nagar means, so you have to type the whole Chennai, and then you have to select the state and you have to select the district. Okay, scroll down and select. Okay, now here, this is very important, qualifying examination code. Okay, so this code is very important. So see the codes and then you type over there, and then year of passing and appearing examination, then percentage of marks obtained in class 12th. So again, if it is in grade, you have to convert. Okay. And then the roll number of class 12 you have to enter over here, will be in your mark sheet. So next, the details of the marks. So before that, we will see the code description. It is important. So the 01 code. So who will select the 01 code? The candidates who is appearing in the qualifying examination, that is in the 12th standard in 2018. Okay, so who are waiting for the results, they will select the 01. Now those who have passed, that is the higher secondary examination or the Indian School Certificate Examination, ISC, that is equivalent to 10 plus 2. Those people will select 02, and 03 will be the intermediate and the pre-degree examination. So they will select 03, and then 04 will be the pre-professional and the pre-medical examination. Those candidates will select the 04. Now 05 will be the first year. If you are doing a degree course, the first year if you are there, the first year of the 3-year degree course of a recognized university, but you should have PCB, that is the physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology. Okay, so those people can choose the code 05. 06 will be BSc examination. If you have passed the BSc examination with subjects PCB, that is the physics, chemistry, biology, it can be either botany or zoology plus biotechnology. And the last one, the 7th code, will be any other examination, but it should comprise of physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology. So these are the codes. So depending upon this, reading this, you will select the code. So select the code, and after that you have the details of marks that you have obtained in the qualifying examinations. So if it is +2, that is English, physics, chemistry, biology and biotechnology. So maximum marks is this side and the marks obtained. So you have to enter your marks correctly over there. Now those students who have studied, candidates who have studied botany and zoology separately, you can indicate the total of 2 in the botany column. That is the biology or the biotechnology is written over there. There you can mention it. Select the next option. You have to fill in your permanent address. Now what are the categories you will fill in the permanent address? You have the house and the door number, the locality, okay, then the landmark. So after filling the landmark, you have the option for village, town or city, that also you have to fill in. Then after filling the city, pin code is important. So there you can fill the pin code. And 2 more columns, you have to select the state and the district. So state and the district. Okay. Now after filling, there is another column for landline number with STD code. So there you can write the code of the district and then you can give your landline number. Okay. And this column is optional. Only if you have a landline number, you can fill it over there. Okay. After this permanent address, this is a correspondent address. So if it is same as permanent address, then click the box over there, check it. So the address appears. Address is very important for further communications. Father's name we have entered over there. Now this is only the qualification, occupation and then the annual income. Okay. And also of the mother's details, the qualification, occupation and the annual income. Okay. Now after filling, you have to check the box which is for the dress code. Do you intend to wear customary dress contrary to the dress code? You will answer no, because you will abide the rules for the dress code given by the CBSE for the NEET examination. Enter the security pin. So you enter, and after checking all the details, you can check for the preview and submit. Now when you click, because you have not filled the form box over there, mother's annual income, it is coming that required. So you have to select over there the requirement. Okay, select and then again come to preview and you can submit the form. Okay, so when you submit, now you are going for final submission, you have to press the button. So if you want to make any changes, any information entered you want to go through, so you can again go and review that. So you can press the back button and go and review. Okay, so again the personal details you can go through, any changes if you want to make, and then all the details you can quickly go through. Okay, so after checking all the details, reviewing the details, you can press the button which says final submit. Okay, so after you verifying the detail, again if you have gone back, again you have to enter the OTP over here. Okay, so enter the OTP number, and then after entering there is again a security pin to have been entered. So you enter that carefully and then click on to the button which says final submit. Okay, so after this final submit, no changes will be entertained in the application form. Okay, so then now you have to agree to proceed further. Yes. So we have finished the step 1. Now we are going for the step 2. Now in step 2 there is, you can upload your recent photograph and signature. Choose the file, choose your destination. Okay. And then for the signature also you can upload the signature. Okay. And click on to the next button. So when you click on to the next button, you have a form where the application number is there, your photo is there, and also your signature. You select the next button. Okay. So the second step is over, where it is scanned images. So these are the scanned images. When you are going to the next page, again you have a security pin. You can just type onto the security pin and then click upload. When you click upload, details for payment of examination will occur over here. And this is the step 3, that is the making payment option. Okay, so your registration number, candidate name, and the charge, that is for the exam. So again you check the name, amount, okay, and the card type, and then click on yes. So you are going for the payment. So when you go for the payment, okay, a page appears where you have to give your details, whether it is a credit or a debit card, and then you have the card number. The name that applies on the card you have to put there. Okay, and the month and year of expiry. And then the CVV number. So after entering, enter the characters that is visible in the box there, okay, below. And then you can press on to the option pay now. So we have made the payment. And so 3 is over, and then the last step 4 is the printing the confirmation page. So here you can click here to take printout of the confirmation page. That option is given. So we have successfully submitted this online application. So all the proof you have to keep it with you. Okay, so when you click over there, the whole page comes, which is the confirmation page. So this printout with all your image and your signature. Okay, and the complete mailing address, all the details that you have given. Now the printout of the confirmation page, proof of the fee, and 2 or 3 copies of the photograph, that is the same one that is in the online application. Everything you have to keep it with you, okay, for further reference. Thank you, and all the best to all the NEET students who are applying for the exam.